Ladies, welcome to another video with me Garima, and today's video is showing you how I do my wing eyeliner. Taking this eyeliner brush and I'm taking my favorite Inglot gel eyeliner in the shade 27 and dipping this brush in the eyeliner. And then what I like to do is I like to slide it on the side to remove any extra product whatsoever. And then I definitely need my mirror. So what I do is I have to show you this really close. I start from the lower lid as my guiding line because that's where you should ideally start. So the lower line should ideally be coming towards the end of your brow line. So that's your guiding line. So let's see how I do it. I'm going to draw a line pointing towards the end of the brow line, and then from the end point of that line I make a wing towards my eye like that. There's no need to have a neat line for that because you're just drawing an outline which needs to be filled later. And extend that line towards the inside of the eye. And then I'm just starting to fill out that line which I drew. There's no rocket science to perfecting that wing. It's really pretty simple. There you have it. And depending on how black you really want it, you can just fill up some more color. Depending on my mood, sometimes I really smoke it up. I use a black eyeshadow over this. Sometimes I'll leave it like this. So there you have it, girls. A perfect wing eyeliner. I'm gonna do it on my other eye and then show you my final look. So as you can see on the other side, starting from my lower lash line, I just drew a line towards the end of my brow, and from the end point I'm just gonna draw a line towards the eye like so, and then just fill up. And that's, yeah, I just cannot get over my hair health these days. Touch wood, touch wood. They're just so lustrous and shining and amazing, especially after the hair spa I did at Gitanjali's salon. If you see those, whoever has any hair woes must try it. Me that one eyeliner is lighter and one is darker. Like, why does it happen to me? One eyebrow is thicker than this. No, why? One arm is bigger, one arm is. It's my forever problem. Perfect wing, nice. Let me show you my final look. you know what you have to do. If you like this video, please like it. Please tell me in the comments below if you're liking my videos and what are the other kind of videos you would like to watch. You know, I love to hear from you guys, and I love you so much. See you in the next video. Bye.